Your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and keeping it safe from the elements is essential to its longevity. The roof is the first line of defense against harsh weather, and when it's compromised, it can lead to costly damage to the rest of your home. That's where a reliable roofing company in Warren comes in. Whether it's fixing a leak or repairing storm damage, the quality of service you receive can make a big difference in the protection and value of your home. In this article, we'll explore why roofing company Warren is your go-to choice for roof repairs and how their expertise can ensure your home is well protected for years to come. Expertise and experience. Roof repair is not a job to take lightly, and trusting an experienced professional is key to ensuring the job is done correctly. Roofing company Warren boasts a team of skilled professionals with extensive experience in roof repairs, and they understand the intricacies of different roof types and materials. Whether you have an asphalt shingle roof, metal roofing, or a flat roof, their team has the knowledge and tools to get the job done right the first time. Comprehensive roof assessments. The experts at roofing company Warren provide detailed assessments of your roof's condition. They will thoroughly inspect your roof to identify any issues, whether it's a minor leak or more serious structural damage. With years of experience in the industry, they can diagnose problems accurately and quickly. Specialized knowledge. From dealing with aging roofs to addressing storm damage, their team understands the unique needs of homes in Warren, Michigan. They know how to repair roofs in a way that maximizes durability and protects against future damage. Timely and efficient repairs. When your roof needs repair, time is of the essence. Leaks and damaged shingles can quickly lead to further damage inside your home. Roofing company Warren is known for its prompt response time and efficient service, minimizing the disruption to your daily life and protecting your home from further damage. Fast turnaround. Roofing emergencies don't wait for a convenient time, which is why roofing company Warren offers fast, reliable service. They aim to complete repairs as quickly as possible without sacrificing quality. This is especially important during times of inclement weather when delaying repairs can lead to significant water damage or other issues. Effective solutions. The experts at roofing company Warren are equipped with the right tools and materials to handle roof repairs quickly and effectively. Whether it's repairing damaged shingles or addressing leaks, they ensure the problem is resolved before it worsens. Quality workmanship and durable results. Roof repairs are an investment in the safety and longevity of your home, so it's essential that the job is done right. With roofing company Warren, you can count on high-quality materials and craftsmanship that will stand the test of time. They don't cut corners, and their commitment to excellence ensures that your roof will be more durable and resilient after the repair. Premium materials. Roofing company Warren uses only top-quality materials for their repairs, ensuring that your roof is restored to its original strength and more. They work with trusted suppliers and only use the best materials available to ensure long-lasting repairs that can withstand the elements. Warranty on workmanship. A hallmark of a reputable roofing company is their confidence in their work. Roofing company Warren offers warranties on their repairs, which means you can have peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise after the repair, they'll take care of it at no extra cost. Cost-effective solution. While roofing repairs can be an investment, roofing company Warren works to keep costs as affordable as possible without sacrificing quality. They offer fair, transparent pricing and work with you to find solutions that fit within your budget. A properly repaired roof can prevent costly damage down the road, making the initial investment well worth it. Free estimates. Roofing company Warren offers free, no-obligation estimates, so you can make an informed decision about your roof repair. They will explain the scope of the repair, the materials needed, and the costs involved up front, ensuring there are no surprises along the way. Long-term savings. By addressing small issues before they turn into major problems, roofing company Warren helps homeowners save money in the long run. Their repairs help to prevent extensive damage that would otherwise require expensive replacements or further repairs. Customer satisfaction and reputation. One of the key reasons to choose roofing company Warren for your roof repair needs is their reputation for excellent customer service. They take pride in their work and prioritize customer satisfaction. With a history of successful repairs and a strong local presence, they've built a loyal customer base and are known for their professionalism and reliability. Reliable and trustworthy. Homeowners trust roofing company Warren because of their track record of delivering on their promises. They arrive on time, complete repairs efficiently, and ensure that homeowners are satisfied with the results. Positive customer reviews. Many homeowners in Warren and the surrounding areas have praised roofing company Warren for their excellent service and attention to detail. Their positive reviews reflect the company's dedication to providing top-tier roof repair solutions. Insurance assistance. If your roof damage is caused by a storm or another insurable event, navigating the insurance claim process can be complicated. Roofing company Warren can assist you with this process, helping you understand your coverage and working directly with your insurance company to ensure you receive the compensation you're entitled to. Insurance claims. Roofing company Warren has experience dealing with insurance claims and can help guide you through the paperwork and requirements. Their expertise ensures that your claim is handled quickly and accurately, helping you avoid delays and unnecessary stress. Conclusion. When your roof needs repair, choosing the right roofing company is essential for the long-term protection of your home. Roofing company Warren offers a combination of expertise, efficient service, quality craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction that make them the go-to choice for roof repair in the Warren, Michigan area. Whether you need a simple repair or more extensive work, they'll provide cost-effective, reliable solutions that will keep your home safe and secure. With their help, you can rest easy knowing your roof is in good hands.